Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's actually an order set that I did back at the end of June. I filmed it, I just never used the footage, and I was so busy this week I didn't get to really film any new sets. So I'm pulling this one from the vault. But it's really simple, cute, summery, kind of almost spring-like because of the pastel colors. But it's a really cute mix and match set. It's very beginner friendly. Honestly, the hardest part is probably the French tip, but because you're only doing 2 French tips this set, it doesn't even have to be they don't have to be twins. They don't really even have to be sisters. They could, as long as they're in the same family, you're good. So it's okay if they're cousins because they're kind of separated. Obviously, you want to aim for them looking very similar as much as you can, but for beginners, I think as long as you get the similar width, a similar smile line, you're kind of already halfway there. Real quick, oh my god, real quick, if you guys can hear my neighbor's dog barking, I'm sorry. She's been barking for the past couple of days, periodically, and she's barking now that I'm doing my voiceover. Okay. So, but yeah, this, like I said, it's a very simple design, very beginner friendly. Yeah, so it's just a very chill video. As you can see, it's a lot shorter of a video. I guess there will be some commentary. I'm not quite sure how much commentary is going to actually be on this video today. But like I said, it's just a freestyle. One of the tips that I can give you guys when you're doing the checkerboard print is a long striper brush is always going to be your best option. It helps with the shakiness and helps you really get control of the design, so that way your lines can be as straight as possible. So yeah, we have the checkerboard pattern. We also have it's been trendy for a few years now, but the little wavy design, like I said, very beginner friendly. It's no really real rhyme or reason for the set. You can just do it however you want to do it. Just, and even in the colorways that you want to do. But yeah, I don't know, it's a very cute set. And then even with the tiger stripes, it doesn't have to be extremely uniform, very abstract, very just kind of go with the flow, how you feel lit to paint it. Just kind of follow your hand in the design and kind of go from there. beyond the French tips, the nails that we do need to kind of be a little more similar, just because they're going to be placed right next to each other, is going to be the thumbnail, which is the wavy pattern with the flower in the center. Like I said, the flower is kind of whatever, as long what you're really trying to aim to make sure that it's as close as possible is going to be the actual wavy design. It doesn't have to be an exact replica, it just has to kind of have the same width, same thickness, just because they are kind of somewhat mirroring each other. But yeah, you will see how I do it. I just create the circle bumps, kind of fill that in, and then kind of do the lines connecting the different bumps. So that way it can become this one uniform, connected, wavy design.
Is your healing? Is your healing?
Alright guys, and that's it for this video for this week. I am going to try to get another video out this week. I will see how it goes. I do have a design in mind that I'm most likely going to film for myself. I mean, I'm definitely going to film it. I'm going to try and get it done today and see how that goes. It might take me, I don't know, because I've already done a couple set of nails today. So I'm going to see if I can finish it. This set is for me, so that's why I'm like in no rush to finish it. But I do kind of want to hurry up and get a rush on it, because I do want to have something to wear for the week, because I've been like, my nails have been naked the past couple of days. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and try to get that done, film that, so that we can have that for a video. I don't know if it'll be this week or next week. I might pull another video out from the vault, as I like to call it. It was a set I did early July, so I did it around the same time I did this set, and I found the footage for it. I'm going to check and see if the footage is good. If I don't get the set that I'm making for myself this week done, I will go ahead and try and get that video done so that we can have 2 videos again this week. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, I will see you guys in the next one. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, like, and please leave a comment below. I want to start communicating with my audience a little more. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.